This lesson is a combination of all of the previous lessons in this unit. We're going to calculate sale prices and add taxes to get a total cost. So we're talking about sale prices, taxes, and total cost. When an item goes on sale, HST is charged on the sale price, not the regular price. So if you're trying to calculate the total cost after you've had a discount, don't forget you still have to pay taxes. So there's kind of a two-step process that we can follow. We can take the regular price and subtract the discount, and that gives us the sale price. Once we have the sale price, we have to add the tax to get the total cost. So if you need help calculating a discount or calculating the sales tax, you can check out the previous lessons in this unit. So here's our example. Bill is buying a new toaster oven for $58.89. It's on sale for 30% off. What is the total cost after taxes? To solve this problem, I'm going to use a step-by-step approach. First, I'll find the discount. Then I'll use the discount to find the sale price. Then I'll calculate the sales tax of the sale price. And then, once I have the sale price and the taxes, I can calculate my total cost. So my discount is 30% of the regular price, because I'm getting 30% off. To calculate percent of a number, I take the percent as a decimal and multiply by the number. I get an answer of 17.667. Remember, with money, we're rounding to the nearest cent, so I need to only have 2 digits after the decimal. The third digit is bigger than 5, so it bumps this up. So the discount is $17.67. So now that I know what the discount is, I can calculate the sale price. The sale price is just the regular price minus the discount, which ends up being $41.22. So now that we have the sale price, we need to calculate the sales tax, HST. HST is 13% of the price, so 0.13 times 41.22. When I do that in my calculator, I get 5.3586. So again, we're talking about money. We need to round to the nearest cent. So we look at the third digit, it's 5 or more. That bumps this one up. So the HST is $5.36. Okay, so we've got a lot of numbers floating around here. We have the discount, we have the sale price, we have the HST. But what is the total cost? Well, it's the sale price plus tax. So I'm going to add $41.22 plus the HST, which was $5.36. So that gives me a total cost of $46.58. So just remember, when you're calculating a total cost, first, if there's a discount, you have to take away the discount to get the sale price. Once you have the sale price, that's what the HST is calculated on, and then you add the tax to get your total cost. So you have a lot of practice questions to work on this. If you get stuck or if you need help, just ask me your questions and I'll do my best to help you.